Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.
Welcome back, AI developers and builders. Today, we're diving into LangChain, the framework that's transforming how we build applications with large language models. If you've ever struggled to connect LLMs to your data, manage complex workflows, or create sophisticated AI apps, LangChain is about to become your new go-to tool. In this video, we'll break down what makes LangChain special, how it simplifies development, and why it's powering the next generation of AI applications. Let's get started and see how LangChain can supercharge your AI projects. Large language models are incredibly powerful, but using them in real-world applications is more than just making API calls. Developers need to handle prompts, manage memory, retrieve data, and orchestrate complex workflows. This is where many hit a wall. Building production-ready AI systems requires much more than just the model itself. LangChain steps in to provide the missing piece, offering a robust framework to manage all these moving parts efficiently. Think of it as the React.js for AI applications, giving you the components and patterns to build complex systems without reinventing the wheel. LangChain is an open-source framework designed for developing applications powered by language models. It provides a standard interface, a wide range of integrations, and end-to-end chains for common AI tasks. The main problem it solves is the repetitive work involved in building with LLMs, like prompt engineering, connecting to data sources, and managing memory. LangChain offers reusable components for all these needs, making your development process modular, interoperable, and production-ready. Plus, it's community-driven, with a massive ecosystem of extensions. LangChain is built on a few key philosophies. First, it's modular use only what you need, nothing more. Second, it's interoperable, working seamlessly with many models and tools. Third, it's production-ready, designed for real-world applications, not just experiments. Finally, it's community-driven, with a vibrant ecosystem of contributors and extensions. The big idea? Make building complex AI applications as easy as building modern web apps. With LangChain, you can focus on your unique logic, not boilerplate code. At the heart of LangChain are its core concepts, the building blocks for any AI application. These include models, LLMs, chat, embedding, prompts, templates, few-shot examples, output parsers, chains, sequences of component calls, agents, LLMs that choose actions, memory, to persist state, and indexes, to work with your data. LangChain also introduces key abstractions like LCEL, runnables, and messages, making it easy to compose and manage complex workflows. If LLMs are the engine, LangChain is the complete car, providing everything you need for a smooth ride. LangChain supports various model types, including standard LLMs like GPT-3 and Llama, chat models such as GPT-4 and Claude, and embedding models that convert text into vector representations. This flexibility allows you to choose the right model for each task, whether it's generating text, managing conversations, or performing semantic search. By integrating these models seamlessly, LangChain enables you to build robust AI applications tailored to your specific needs. Prompt management is a core feature of LangChain. You can create reusable prompt templates, include few-shot examples, and use output parsers to structure model responses. For chat applications, chat prompt templates help format conversation history. This approach streamlines prompt engineering, making it easy to maintain consistency and quality across your AI workflows. With LangChain, you spend less time crafting prompts from scratch and more time building impactful applications. Let's look at a simple prompt template example in LangChain. Using the prompt template class, you can define a reusable structure for your prompts. For instance, you might create a template that instructs the AI to act as a helpful assistant and answer a given question. This template can then be reused across different parts of your application, ensuring consistency and reducing repetitive code. Prompt templates are a powerful way to standardize interactions with your models. LangChain introduces structured chat messages to manage conversations. There are several types: System message sets the behavior and context. Human message represents user input. AIN message is for assistant responses, and function message handles tool or function results. This structure helps you build rich, interactive chat experiences, where each message type has a clear role in the conversation flow. By organizing messages this way, you can easily manage context and maintain clarity in your AI-driven chats. Chains are one of LangChain's most powerful features. They allow you to combine multiple LLM calls and operations into a single, streamlined workflow. Whether you need a basic LLM chain with a prompt and model, a sequential chain for multi-step tasks, or a router chain to choose between different workflows, LangChain has you covered. Chains make it easy to build complex processes like document analysis, multi-step reasoning, and conditional logic, all with minimal code. Here's how easy it is to build a simple chain in LangChain. By importing the LLM chain class and providing your model and prompt, you can create a workflow that takes a question and returns an answer. This modular approach means you can quickly assemble, test, and iterate on your AI workflows. Chains are the backbone of LangChain, enabling you to scale from simple prototypes to production-ready systems with ease. LangChain Expression Language, or LCEL, is a modern way to compose chains. With LCEL, you can connect components like prompts, models, and output parsers using a simple, readable syntax. For example, you might write chain equals prompt vertical bar LLM vertical bar output parser to define a workflow. This makes your code more intuitive and easier to maintain, especially as your applications grow in complexity. LangChain supports advanced chain patterns like MapReduce, Refine, and Stuff. MapReduce lets you process documents in parallel and then combine results. Refine helps you build up answers iteratively, while Stuff puts all context into a single prompt. These patterns enable you to tackle complex tasks like document analysis, multi-step reasoning, and more, all within a flexible and scalable framework. By default, LLMs are stateless; they don't remember previous interactions. LangChain's memory modules solve this by enabling conversations and maintaining context across sessions. This is crucial for chat applications, multi-step workflows, and any scenario where personalization or continuity is important. With memory, your AI can build on previous steps, remember user preferences, and deliver a more engaging experience. LangChain offers several memory types to fit different needs. Conversation buffer memory keeps the entire conversation history, while conversation buffer window memory retains only the last few messages. Conversation summary memory summarizes past interactions, and vector store-backed memory enables semantic search over history. Advanced options include entity memory for tracking facts about entities and knowledge graph memory for storing relationships. You can even build custom memory systems for specialized use cases. Implementing memory in LangChain is straightforward. For example, you can use conversation buffer memory to keep track of the entire chat history. By integrating memory with your chains, your AI applications can maintain context, personalize responses, and handle multi-step tasks seamlessly. This makes your apps smarter and more user-friendly, with minimal extra code. Agents are a standout feature in LangChain. They use LLMs to decide what actions to take, and in what order, using tools and observing results until the task is complete. Agents can handle complex dynamic workflows by reasoning through steps, choosing tools, and adapting as needed. This makes them ideal for tasks that require flexibility and intelligence, like research assistance or automated workflows. Agents in LangChain can use a variety of built-in tools, such as web search, calculators, Python REPL, Wikipedia access, and file system operations. Toolkits are collections of related tools, making it easy to extend your agent's capabilities. You can also create custom tools to fit your specific needs, allowing agents to interact with databases, APIs, or any other resource your application requires. LangChain makes it easy to create your own tools. By using decorators, you can define functions that agents can call as needed. For example, you might build a search function that queries your product database, This flexibility allows you to tailor your AI agents to your business logic, integrating them deeply with your existing systems and workflows. LangChain supports several agent types to fit different scenarios. Zero-shot React agents can reason and act without examples, while conversational agents are optimized for chat. Self-ask with search agents can ask follow-up questions, and structured chat agents handle structured inputs. This variety ensures you can pick the right agent for your specific application, whether it's a chatbot, research assistant, or automation tool. LangChain makes it easy to work with your own data. Document loaders let you import data from PDFs, websites, or databases. Text splitters break documents into manageable chunks, while vector stores allow you to store and search embeddings. Retrievers fetch relevant documents, enabling your AI to access the right information at the right time. This data-centric approach is key for building powerful, context-aware applications. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, is a killer feature in LangChain. It combines your own data with LLMs to generate highly relevant answers. The process involves loading and chunking documents, creating vector embeddings, retrieving relevant chunks, and generating answers using context. RAG enables applications like chatbots that can answer questions based on your company's knowledge base or research assistants that pull from academic papers. One of the most popular applications of LangChain is building chatbots that can interact with your data. Whether it's a corporate knowledge base, legal documents, technical manuals, or research papers, LangChain enables you to create assistants that understand and respond using your unique information. This unlocks new possibilities for customer support, internal help desks, and research tools. LangChain powers intelligent automation across industries. From customer service automation and content generation workflows to data analysis and process automation, LangChain's flexible framework lets you build AI-driven solutions that save time and boost efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks and enabling smarter decision-making, you can focus your resources on higher-value work. LangChain is the backbone for a wide range of AI-powered applications. These include personalized learning platforms, intelligent coding assistants, creative content generators, and advanced research tools. By leveraging LangChain's modular components, you can quickly prototype and deploy innovative solutions that harness the full power of large language models. For enterprises, LangChain offers robust solutions like internal AI assistants, document processing pipelines, customer insight generation, and operational efficiency tools. These applications help organizations streamline operations, improve decision-making, and unlock new value from their data. LangChain's scalability and flexibility make it a top choice for businesses looking to integrate AI into their workflows. Ready to try LangChain? Installation is simple. Just run pip install LangChain to get started. The basic setup involves importing your preferred LLM, setting up chains, and defining prompts. From there, you can experiment with memory, agents, and your own data. LangChain's extensive documentation and active community make it easy to learn and troubleshoot as you build. To master LangChain, start with basic chains and prompts. Next, add memory for conversations. Then, incorporate your own data for richer interactions. As you grow more comfortable, build agents with tools and deploy your applications to production. The learning curve is smooth, and the community is always there to help with resources, examples, and support. LangChain boasts a vibrant community and a wealth of resources. You'll find extensive documentation, an active Discord community, a GitHub repository full of examples, and regular updates from the core team. This ecosystem ensures you're never building alone. There's always help and inspiration available as you develop your AI applications. LangChain has quickly become the standard for building sophisticated LLM applications. It addresses real developer challenges, managing complexity, handling state, working with data, and building reliable systems. As the framework continues to evolve, new features and integrations are added by both the core team and the community. With LangChain, you're equipped to build the next generation of AI-powered applications.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.